In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ambient air temp sensor on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 screws off the front apron. We're looking up at the bottom of the bumper on the corner. We're going to use a T25 bit and we're going to remove the 3 screws. Do the same thing on the other side. We have one more right here in the middle. Going through the wheel well, looking up at the corner of the bumper, we're going to have a T25 screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Down from there, we have 2 more. Go ahead and remove those. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab the grill, and we're going to pull it forward. You'll feel the snap in the middle pull up. And you're going to take your hand and go right on the corner of this grill. And you're going to pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side and remove the grill piece. To remove the front bumper, we need to push on all of these tabs and pull straight forward. Using a pick tool or something similar, just push on the tabs and pull out on the bumper as you go down the line. Pull out on the corner of the bumper. Go do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper from the vehicle. Looking at the bottom of our impact absorber, you're going to find our air intake sensor. We're going to remove this sensor from the plastic. You're going to pinch on those 3 tabs in the front and remove the sensor. Remove the connector off the sensor. Push on the push tab. Pull straight back. Remove the connector. If you had this plastic piece fall off, slide it back up into place. Ours is broken. There's supposed to be another tab on this side that holds onto this bracket. And then this is the push button. If you want to remove it, push on this button, pull straight down, and you can remove that bracket. Install the temp sensor into the bracket. Be sure it's fully seated, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bumper into place. I'm going to clip it into the middle on all of the clips. Pull the bumper up and over the headlight. Pull the corner over into place. Go repeat this same process on the other side. Pull the bumper over into place. Install the screw up through the bottom. Install the 2 screws through the fender liner. Install the screws up through the bumper. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the middle screw, get it nice and tight. Install the grill into place. We have to slide that front in and it'll clip into place. Pull it back and get all of these top tabs installed under that air dam. Go down the front, locking everything into place. Install the 3 top bolts. Get them nice and snug. And we have one more on the other corner. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.